Safety first. Urgent call to slow down and yield to others on the road. In a bid to enhance road safety, officials across the country are urging drivers to slow down and give the right of way to both fellow motorists and pedestrians. This renewed call comes in light of recent data indicating a surge in traffic accidents and fatalities, many of which could have been prevented by simply adhering to basic traffic laws. The message is clear: taking a few extra seconds can save lives. Authorities emphasize that defensive driving not only reduces collision risks but also fosters a safer environment for everyone sharing the road. Recent studies underscore the gravity of this issue, showing that speeding and failure to yield rank among the top causes of traffic accidents. Pedestrians are particularly vulnerable. According to data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, pedestrian deaths accounted for 17% of all traffic fatalities in the past year alone. Every life lost is avoidable, said Jane Miller, Director of Transportation Safety at NHTSA. By slowing down and giving others their rightful space on the road, we can collectively make our streets safer. Law enforcement agencies are stepping up measures with increased patrols and hefty fines aimed at curbing reckless driving behaviors. Public awareness campaigns featuring poignant messages about real-life consequences are also being deployed through various media platforms. As these initiatives roll out, community leaders hope they will resonate deeply with drivers who often underestimate or ignore their role in ensuring public safety on roads. It's more than just about obeying laws. It's about cultivating respect and responsibility on every journey taken.